Yeah, so anyways, you're just changing out this radiator on the cooler. Let me set y'all up real quick. Get this plastic open. Order the radiator here. So we got all our fittings and pieces that we need. I don't know what this is for, but might not use that. Let's get the front of this rad over here. Rad right here. Let's get that open. Right now, y'all can just basically putting all these little fittings and stuff on. These are trans-cooler lines right here. Yeah. These are trans-cooler lines. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the bottom of the rad actually. This is the top of the radiator right here. So, yeah. I'm not quite sure. I know where this goes, but I have to figure it out, I guess. Not quite sure where that goes on to, but yeah. And just want to take and swap over all your other stuff too, like your reservoir, that and that. So we're gonna do that. Rip this off here. Another big hose. This hose onto there. Only one of these fans work. I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna just put in both of them. Honestly, because I don't know which one works. These are TSX fans, so they may not fit in here. Yeah, these are TSX fans. They're not gonna fit in here, but not tripping that they don't. I'm gonna just put this one in, put the other one in, and call it a day. Yeah, this one might be for, I don't know. Let's see. This one might be for this one. I don't know. Because it almost fits perfectly, but then doesn't line up. So I'm pretty sure this one right here. These are TSX fans once again, so they're not going to line up. And this one is going to go, don't damage your rad putting your new fans on. This one's going to go right, like, right there. One of the bolt holes about line up, but yeah. You can put it in that one. Bolt holes still don't line up, but yeah. TSX fans, a cord, a radiator, don't like to be put together, but it's gonna be put together today. I'm gonna put it right through that hole right there. Just to keep it nice and good. Alright guys, got that on, got the fans on. Only thing to do now is put it in the car. So go over here, do that real quick. The bumper fell over. But let me set you guys up somewhere so I don't ding up this new radiator. Let me set y'all right here. Yeah, right there should be plenty good for y'all. But yeah, we got the fans on. Past and reservoir needs to get out the way. Our fan plug. That's a trans cooler line right there. This is another trans cooler line right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but this right here, trans cooler line. Make sure you press that all the way on your fitting. Don't want that to come out. And there goes all your transfer fluid. But that's on. Final hose down here is the big one, is the lower radiator hose. And that's now on. So rad is in, this needs to be tightened. So that's all for the day though, y'all. Rad's in, hoses are in. Yeah. Just gotta do plugs now. But yeah, guys, that's it for this one. New rads in there, be good to go. Alright guys, we're back here today, and just doing a little lip install on the cord, kinda. Well, I don't know if you'll call it a lip, but something of that nature, so I'm going to call it a lip. So, trying to think of a spot I can set y'all up at. Right there is not gonna work. Bear with me, y'all, bear with me. Y'all need to go that way. Which that should be a fine spot right there. So, anyways, y'all, we're just putting this lip on the cord today. But it's not going on right for you, boy. So what I'm gonna have to do, the hole right here. I do like that here. On the hole right here. And the hole right on the right there. Pretty good. I'll do that right. Right here, hole. There's no hole, so that ain't your hole. That hole right here. That doesn't have to watch, so the washer, that hole. And something like that. I have to build that. You just keep on the here. Get that right. So I'm just gonna have a hole over here. Look. That's that hole. Go in there. That's the washer on the screw side and the other side. So washer like that. There. Put it in your hole here. And your hole like that. The washer. You can hold your hole. And then onto that hole right here. So that's basically on the receiver. What you see really is that hole there. The whole one drops right now. Put that through there like that. Then this one. Tighten it down a tiny, easy little bit. There we go. Now we need to get our side on, which is right here. So we're gonna go drill another hole for real. Drill another hole. As you can see, we are now on the you can see we're on the back side of our bunker here now. On the back side of it. So we're just gonna do the same thing. A screw right here on the side of it, and that's it. Yeah, try and get that to hold up straight. This to hold up straight. It'll be like right there, kinda. Yeah, it would be right there. So you do that. I won't mind at that angle. Just because I think it'll look a whole lot better. We'll make our own holes here, but that hole right there. Now I just want to take in okay, got our hole, same thing, bolt, washer, nut, and then another washer. I'm gonna stick our bolt through the hole, which is right behind there. Okay, let's screw this in. It's being a little stubborn, but have our, okay, Washer ain't gonna work for that one, but what we can do, still get our bolt on here. Just like that. Y'all can see this one side done. Looks really good, actually. I'm digging that. And it's on pretty rigidly too, so it shouldn't really come off, to be honest. So, look at this other side. Guys, coming back at y'all with the finished product here. Here they are. The 9th gen Accord spats on the 8th gen Accord. You will have a little gap right there. If you want to, you can take the heat gun and honestly fix that, but nah. Me myself, I'm not worried about it. Yeah, let me tighten this up so that piece stays flush. That's the last thing I gotta do.